Alright, so today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota Prius. Customer complaint, you would be driving the car for maybe about 2 minutes and then the car would die right out. Or sometimes if you let the car sit, it would randomly die right out. So, pulled up some codes. I have a communication code. So it's going to be U as an umbrella 0100. So the hybrid battery loss communication with the PCM or ECM circuit A, I believe that was the definition. And then I had a P0 or I had a P3000 in the hybrid system. So the hybrid was letting me know there was no communication from the hybrid, wasn't communicating with the PCM, but obviously every other module was communicating. So what happened is that there was a fuse right here. This fuse is the EFI, so electric fuel injection relay. So this right here, if this pops, your engine will turn off. So I'll go ahead and show you. So if I were to disconnect this, the car would turn right off. Oh well, it turned off right now. Let me get this guy going back on. So let's see if I can tap on that, get it going. Well, anyways, all right, so we have the car on, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect that. And I don't know if you heard something got turned off. So when we disconnect that, good job, baby. I'll give you a little booster push. Be careful when you're going down that hill. So obviously we have our gas light. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get that zoomed in. So you can see the gas light turning on. So, and then we would throw the triangle light, and then the VSC, and then the check engine light would come on too. So I think if I try to give it gas, yeah, so now nothing will happen. Car won't start, so forth. So what happened is that this fuse kept popping. So right there, if I can get that, so you can see that, that's a bad fuse. That needs to make contact. So you can see that this guy replaced a couple and he took it to a mechanic shop, and same thing, it would pop. So I don't know, sorry, it's so hard to get this. There you go. So this is like the other ones and so forth. So here's a fuse right here. That's good, so you guys can see. That's a zoom in. So that's where that's a good fuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy back. And so basically what was happening is that something was shorting out. Obviously something was blowing the fuse. Either something's pulling too much power from this area, either a part can be defective. But one of the most common things that's happening in this is that this guy right here, this oxygen sensor, if you hit something, whatever, and you make contact right there, you can see this, you can see that pretty close. You see those exposed wires? That would cause the fuse to pop. So also what can cause it to pop too, if this gets damaged by the cat. So if you pull this out, looks like the cat's already hit this right here. So you see the little white marks right over there. And then when I was kind of churning it inside, it was like scraping. I could hear it scrape, but that wasn't causing it to short out. So the sensor that was causing it was the back one. So the one after the cat. So right there, that one has a little bong spacer, so that would cause that too as well. So that was popping the fuse and so forth. And then that's pretty much it. You clear your codes. You need a scanner to access the hybrid system. I don't think you can do it with a regular mini scanner. Maybe you can. But yeah, so if that happens to you where your fuse keeps popping and so forth, for the EFI, this top 15 amp, make sure you replace it with another 15 amp and so forth. You can get some pliers. Literally it's just a little cover right here. I have these jumper cables because the battery died. But yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.